what was happening last weekend. We were for driving. We were driving through the forests of Lithuania, and of course, I have no engine cover. And this weekend, I am fixing the oil sump. There is a huge crack along the oil sump and it's leaking a lot. My plan is to remove the oil sump, clean it, weld it, place it back.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Oil sump is off. The crack is big. Starts from here, goes to here. I have washed the oil sump, aqua blasted it, and now it's clearly visible the damage. This is a bend. Like I said before, this is a crack from inside. That's the crack. Luckily it's a crack, not a hole. It was welded here. Let's prepare it for the repair. I want to hit the surface and bend it back a little bit, then that would be my tick settings. I'm going to weld it on 81 amp, frequency 170, and AC balance around more to this side. It's going to go deeper into the material, not wider. Let's see how it goes. Not amazing, as I am not professional. I think it's going to do the trick, or maybe I need to fix that part. What's happening, I have welded everything and decided to make the weld a little bit nicer, increased the amperes, and and I went through all the crack, all the weld, and it cracked.
everywhere. So the crack even went here, so I fixed it. I hope it's going to be fine now.
I want to test the weld with a flashlight. Seems like the crack is welded. I can't see any lights passing through. Yeah, I hope it's going to be fixed and no leaks will appear. Yesterday I filled it with oil. Let's have a look. Is it leaking?
Okay. Oh no, there is a leak.
Not a beginner's luck. Oh well, next time.